You're watching Project 380 and this is Back to Basics. And on this episode of Back to Basics, we're going to be removing the headlights from the front of this 2.5. But in order to remove these lights, we first need to remove the front bumper. And to learn how to do that, go check out my previous video on removing the front bumper. With the bumper out of the way, we can see that the light was actually hooked underneath the bumper here. That is what was stopping us getting the light out with the bumper still on. So now we could come and disconnect all the wiring for the headlight. Because this is a 2.5, we've got 3 lights. And just so you're aware, these are aftermarket lights, so slightly different. The indicator on these are the same as standard ones. We're going to reach behind here and twist it anti-clockwise 90 degrees. And then pull the light out of the unit. On the standard lights you'd have 2 more plugs, one behind here and one up here. But because these are aftermarket, they've got some patch wires on them that then lead up to the plugs. But usually you would be disconnecting the plug straight from the back of the light unit. So we've got a brown plug here, that is our dipped beam, and a black grey plug down here, which is our high beam. The headlight is then held in with 2 10mm bolts, one there and one there. Now we can come remove our headlight. It will be a bit tight up in this corner as there is a pin that goes into a plastic fitting in the chassis, and sometimes that could be a little bit tight to remove. But all you've got to do now is grab the headlight and pull it forward. And now admire all the rust. These 2.5s really like to rust away here. So that is how to remove your headlights from your Mark 2.5. If you learned anything, put it down in the comments down below. As per usual, like, comment, share and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one.